A Chinese investor monitors stock prices at a brokerage house in Beijing, Friday, June 22, 2018. Asian stocks fell Friday following Wall Street losses overnight as investors were still wary over trade disputes between China and the U.S., as well as between the U.S. and Europe that could hurt corporate profit and jobs. AP photo, Mark Sheffield, Seoul, South Korea. AP, global stocks and oil prices were higher Friday as investors monitored OPEC's discussion on increasing crude production. Caution remained, however, over trade disputes between China and the U.S. as well as between the U.S. and Europe that could hurt corporate profits and jobs. Keeping score, Britain's FTSE 100 was up 1% to 7,630 and France's CAC 40 advanced 0.9% to 5,361. Germany's DAX gained 0.4% to 12,561. Futures augured gains on Wall Street. Oil prices of oil rose as OPEC met Friday to consider increasing their output by 1 million barrels a day. There is disagreement within OPEC about the scale of the increase, suggesting supply could remain ample. Benchmark U.S. Crude gained $1.02 to $66.56 per barrel in electronic trading on the New York Mercantile Exchange. Brent crude, the international standard for oil prices, rose $1.51 to $74.56 per barrel in London. Trade tensions, the U.S. is to begin taxing $34 billion in Chinese goods in 2 weeks while Beijing has vowed to retaliate with its own tariffs on U.S. soybeans and other farm products. The European Union is putting tariffs on $3.4 billion in American products as of Friday in response to the U.S. move to impose tariffs on steel and aluminum from around the globe. Brexit is also worrying companies, with plane maker Airbus warning that it could reconsider its place in Britain, where it employs 14,000, if the country does not soon reach a deal to clarify its trade relations with the EU. Asia stay. Some Asian markets gained following heavy losses on previous days but finished lower than a week ago. Hong Kong's Hang Seng Index edged up 0.2% to 29,338.70 while Japan's Nikkei 225 lost 0.8% to 22,516.83. The Shanghai Composite Index rose 0.5% to 2,889.76 but remained more than 5% below the start of the week. South Korea's Kospi advanced 0.8% to 2,357.22 but finished the week nearly 3% lower. Australia's S. Analysts take heightened global trade tensions remain a theme going into the end of the week, said Jing Yipan, a market strategist at IG. Currencies, the dollar rose to 110 yen and 16 cents from 109 yen and 99 cents while the euro strengthened to $1.1650 from $1.1600. Copyright 2018 The Associated Press. All rights reserved. This material may not be published, broadcast, written or redistributed.